Hey there, little ones! Welcome back to our fun and educational channel. Today we're going to explore the different homes for our animal friends. We're going to play a guessing game to find out where different animals live. So let's dive right in. First up, we have a bird. Birds are fascinating creatures that can fly through the sky, and they come in all sorts, shapes, and sizes. Some birds, like eagles, can even soar high above the clouds. Now, can you guess where this feathery friend lives? That's right, birds can be found in a birdhouse. Birds love to build nests and raise their young in these cozy little houses. Let's repeat once again. A bird lives in a birdhouse. And who do we have next? Yes, it's a fish. Fish are aquatic animals that live in water, and they come in a wide variety of colors and shapes. Some fish, like the goldfish, are even kept as pets. Fish can be found in lakes, rivers, and oceans. Now, where do you think this water-dwelling creature lives? Fish live in water, and an aquarium is a perfect place for them to swim and play. Let's repeat once again. A fish lives in an aquarium. Now, let's talk about a cat. Cats are adorable furry animals that love to snuggle and play. They are often found in homes as pets, and they have a reputation of being very curious. Cats can be found in homes, gardens, and parks. Now, where do you think this lovely creature lives? Yes, cats love to snuggle and nap, so a cozy bed is the perfect spot for them. Moving on, we have a frog. Frogs are amphibians that live both on land and in water. They have a unique croaking sound, and sometimes they can even change their color. Where do you think this hopping amphibian lives? That's right, frogs can be found in ponds and wetlands. Froggy loves to hide in the reeds, especially when it's time to hop away from predators. Let's repeat once again. Frog lives in the reed. And now let's talk about a dog. Dogs are man's best friend, and they come in all sorts of breeds and sizes. They are often kept as pets and are known for their loyalty and playfulness. Dogs can be found in homes, parks, and on walks. Where do you think this loyal dog lives? Now let's try to see. Yes, a dog lives in its kennel. Dogs are often kept in kennels, especially when they are not home with their owners. Dog lives in a kennel. Now let's talk about a bear. Bears are large, powerful animals that can often be found in the wild, in forests, mountains, and caves. They are known for their strength and their love of honey. Now, where do you think this mighty mammal lives? Yes, in a bear den. Bears sleep in their dens during the winter months. Let's repeat once again. A bear sleeps in a bear den. Moving on, we have a squirrel. Squirrels are small, furry animals that love to climb trees and store nuts. They are often found in parks, gardens, and forests. Where do you think the squirrel lives? Yes, a squirrel lives in a hollow. Squirrels love to hide in hollow trees to store their nuts. And next we have a hare. Hares are small, similar to rabbits, but they are larger and more powerful. They are often found in fields and forests, and they are known for their speed and agility. Where do you think this fast-moving animal lives? That's right. Hares can be found in fields, meadows, and forests. Hares love to hop around in open spaces, especially in the forest. Now let's talk about a chicken. Chickens are a type of bird that are often kept as pets or for their eggs. They are often found in farms. Where do you think chickens live? That's right. Chickens can be found in farms, backyards, and gardens. They like to stay in the hay. And who do we have next? Next we have a mouse. Mice are small, furry animals that are often found in homes, fields, and forests. They are often seen as pests, but they are also fascinating creatures. Where do you think this tiny animal lives? Mice love to hide into holes to stay safe and warm. Now let's move on to our next animal, and it's a sheep. A sheep is a furry creature that often found in fields. They are known for their wool, soft fur, and bleating sounds. Where do you think the sheep lives? Yes, in a barn. Sheep are often kept in barns to protect them from predators and keep them close to their owners. And that's it for today's adventure. We hope you enjoyed learning about the different homes of our animal friends. Don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.